easel.
Growth hacking is about spreading something to the right people as quickly as possible, and it grows out of the Silicon Valley marketing mindset. Sean Ellis, the guy who coined the term growth hacking and an early marketer at Dropbox, says that a growth hacker's true north is growth. So a traditional marketer would have a really broad focus and a broad set of responsibilities, whereas the growth hacker is exclusively focused on growing the business or a part of the business. It's not better or worse, it's just different. And a growth hacker's daily tasks, the way that they're reviewed by their boss, their budget, it all centers around growth. But growth hackers need to be generalists because they have to have the ability to be both creative and tech savvy. Another key success factor for a growth hacker is the ability to detach themselves from the individual tactics that they're trying and act based on the data that they're seeing. So it's similar to the entrepreneurial cycle, where you have these moments of euphoria and then these moments of total dread because things aren't working. And there's a huge body of research that shows that we're not always rational, especially when we've invested creative time and energy into launching something. So that's why growth hackers use data to track the creation, distribution, and then the impact of certain tactics so that they can use this data to guide smart decisions. So in summary, growth hacking is a growth-oriented mindset that grows out of the Silicon Valley startup culture. The hacking part of growth hacking is about the smart and creative use of technologies to achieve growth. Data is used by growth hackers to help them make rational decisions about all these tactical experiments that they're trying and that they've invested a lot of creative and time and energy into.